Welcome you all in our third lecture on Google Classroom. So far we have learned about Stream, about class code, about upcoming informations. We have also used Stream by writing Hello Students. We have used People tab. We have learned how to add teachers. We have learned how to add students. Now we will learn how to create classwork. Okay. So here we can see we can assign works to our class, we can create assignment and questions, we can use topics to organize classwork into modules or units, we can order our work the way we want how student can see it. Okay, so let's click on create tab, and here we can see assignments, quiz assignments, questions, material, reuse post and topics. So before going to all these options, we will go for topic and we will create a topic. So let's create a topic on Google Classroom 1. Okay, so this is our first topic. Yes, we can go back to create option and again create a topic. How to create classroom is our another topic. We can again go to topic and create how to add material to class. We'll add it. Okay, so now we have created three different topics and all the topics are coming here. Okay, we can click on this link, these three dots, and we can rename the class. Okay, suppose we wanted to rename this, so instead of Google Classroom 1 I wanted to rename it Google Classroom. It will rename it. Okay, now we can click on these three dots and we can delete the class, we can delete the topic, we can copy the link, so in case we wanted to create multiple copies, and we can move up. Okay, we can change the order, so it moved up. Again I wanted to change the order, it has moved up, and I wanted to change the order for this also, so move up. Okay, so now we have Google Classroom, how to create classroom, how to add material to the classroom. These are three different topics. Now first thing we all of us need to learn is merely creating a topic won't help us, because unless until there is something in the topic, our students can't see this topic. Okay, since the topic is empty our student won't be able to see it, so that means we have to add certain material or assignment or quiz, okay, to our topic. Okay, suppose we wanted to add certain material to our classroom. Now we can see these two options, add and create. Okay, we can use these two topics. So before adding certain material we have to give a specific name. uh, Suppose steps to create classroom is our title, and we can write the description here. In the given material we can learn how to create classroom. Okay, now we have two options, either we can create documents, slide, sheets, drawings and forms, and another is either we can use Google Drive, we can use link, we can use file, and we can use YouTube. Now we will click on Google Drive. Okay, now before clicking on Google Drive, let me tell you one thing. The moment you have create your classroom, folder, a classroom folder is automatically created into your Google Drive, okay, and that will be accessible to you on your Google Drive. Okay, so now again I will click on add, will click on Google Drive, and this will show two different chapters available to me in my Google Drive. Okay, so I can click on one chapter, chapter 1 has been clicked, and I'll add this chapter into our material, and here I can see the chapter. The second way is I can use a link. Okay, now this link, I can copy and paste any link from the web, and that information will be available to our classroom. Okay, suppose let me go to the Google Classroom, and let me search COVID-19. Okay, so COVID-19, and I wanted to check the full map. Okay, so this chart, this link is showing us information about state. Let me zoom it out. Okay, and click on, suppose, New York. Okay, I'll click on New York. Now this tab, now this link will show the information about New York. I can copy this link and go back to my classwork, click on add, click on link, and paste the link, and we can, that's how we can add a link, and the link will be available. Now the third way is using file. If I click on file, I can upload a file from my system or from my computer. Suppose I wanted to add second chapter, how to create Google Classroom. I have clicked on chapter 2, and I have uploaded the chapter. Okay, so the process will take place and it will upload the chapter. Yes, our chapter is here. So we can see chapter 1, which we have added from the Google Drive, this link, coronavirus COVID-19, which we have added from the website, and chapter 2, this is our material which we have added from our computer. Now the last is YouTube. We can add any YouTube link. Okay, now for this we have to search the video. Okay, now suppose we wanted to add a certain video, suppose let's search Google Classroom only, and we will click on Google Classroom, and all those videos related to Google Classrooms will be available here. Okay, here we can see all the videos related to Google Classrooms are now available. Okay, another way of adding videos, suppose you are not able to find your video, so another way is we can copy and paste the URL from YouTube. Okay, here I have opened up a video, and I'll paste this link, and here we can see our first lecture on Google Classroom is now added. Okay, so we have added the material into our topic. Now another options which we can learn is we can click on this thing. So this is for who. So suppose if we have if we are taking different sections, become honors, become program, and become BA program, so we can specify to which class this material should go. In our case we have created only one section, that was Google Classroom, so it is not showing us the options to change the student, and another is all student. Since we haven't added any students right now, this is showing all student. Suppose if you have added 10 student, you can identify the number of students to whom this material should go. You can also assign a topic. So far we haven't assigned this material to any specific topic. Either we can opt for no topic, so it will be available openly without any topic. Either we can create a new topic or we can choose any options. So all this, so our material was related to the steps to create classroom. So we will assign a topic how to create classroom. Okay, we have assigned this all this material to this topic and we will post. So that's how we can upload the material, we can create the material, and we can create the topic. So now we can see it has shows a saved options and the material is available in our how to create classroom topic. Okay, so that's how we can save our material, upload our material, link our YouTube videos to our Google Classroom, and link our Google Drive to our Google Classrooms. Thank you very much.